Hello children, myself Swati Vavdhane from Gokuli Education Society, HL High School, Ozar Township. I am going to teach you subject EVS2 of Standard 5. Dear student, in part 1 we learned history, a science that tells us about event in the past and the scientific method of history. Now, in part 2 we shall continue the lesson. In the first part of video we learned about history, a science that tells us about events in the past and the scientific method of history. Now we going to learn history and us and the past and the future. History and us. The study of science help us to find the answers to many questions. For example, environmental science studies the problem of degradation of the environment, pollution, etc., and looks for their solutions. In the same way, every science has its own areas of study. History studies events of the past. Individual or collective actions of human beings have consequences. They result in an environment that may be either favorable or unfavorable for the progress of society. This affects our day to day life. For example, if the people of village work together and help one another, the village makes good progress. However, if the people cannot come together, it puts obstacles in the way of its development. History attempts to find out answers to many questions by studying the way of thinking of past societies, their actions, and the consequences. The study of history makes it possible for us to study what is and what is not favorable for the progress of human society. History thus provides us with guidelines about how we should behave today in order to shape a good future. By telling us the life of stories of a great people, history also serves to inspire and to motivate us. By studying history, we get to know about the give and take that took place between our own and other civilization. We learn about the progress of human civilization. We also understand how people's way of life went on changing. Every village, city, district, state, and country has its own history. Similarly, the earth, its mountains, water bodies, the animal world, mankind all have their own history. Every science too has a history. It tells of the many scientific discoveries that brought about important changes in human civilization and of the scientists who made those discoveries. The past and the future. The past, present, and future are linked by a continuous chain of events. For example, the Indian people fought against the British government to get independence. This is a historical action. As a result, India became an independent nation on 15th August 1947. So we can say that independence was a consequence of an action. That is, the Indian people struggle for independence. In this way, the event of today are linked with past actions. When we understand this, we realize that the future depends on past events. This is what we learn from history. For example, we learn that man began to make tools from material available in nature, that he learned how to make use of fire, and that he invented the wheel. The next generation added to these developments. Technology developed further hand in hand with the physical and intellectual development. of man. This process is going on continuously. Even today, inventions of today are only possible on the foundation of the discoveries and invention of the past. Read and try to solve exercise given below. In next video, we will learn second lesson, history and the concept of time.